Hey everybody, got some units here. The Trane XE1000 or XB1000. This is running. Data sheet is gone. Got a Trane XR. Both are running. Those are odd disconnects. I'm used to seeing those metal ones. Alright. Got some more units behind this fence here, which I'm not going to be able to get in there, but got a carrier performance, carrier comfort, mini split, which is looks like a Mitsubishi, and 3 Trane commercial units. For this bunch, not too much. Actually, wait, I missed something. There's an Amana hiding back there. I think that's it for this. We have a carrier comfort serious unit. Heat pump has been running. It's in rough shape. I mean, actually, the refrigeration system itself doesn't look too bad, but the coil guard. Alright, since I can't show it on camera because it doesn't want to focus and you can barely see it, is a 2014 1.5 ton heat pump. It was manufactured in, I think that's November 2014, judging by the thing at the bottom. Alright. I also just noticed this unit's been hit by something. You can see it's got a bit of a dent on there. I wonder if that's something from a hurricane hitting it. That or a car. Alright, moving on. Got some more units here. So we have a carrier Gemini. I don't know where the data is. Not sure if it's blocked by this fence. Oh, there it is. Alright. We got a Trane. So this unit just turned on. Pretty quiet. Sounds like the usual comfort. Smaller one at least. Alright. Alright, back to the Tranes. Won't be able to get any of the data, at least I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I'm able to get the data. Right here we have a little Gibson. This isn't so little. Has been running. Scroll compressor. 4 ton. 2006. Alright.